How to invite Steam friends to games. This tutorial shows you how to bring a friend into a multiplayer game session directly from Steam. First, open the Steam app on your computer. After that, launch the game you want to play with a friend. From there, once inside the game or from the game's lobby screen, open your Steam friends list by pressing Shift and Tab. At this point, this opens the Steam overlay while your game stays running in the background. In the next step, find the friend you want to invite from your friends list. Following this, right-click on their name. Once done, select Invite to Play from the menu that appears. From here, your friend will receive a notification with an option to join your game session. At this stage, alternatively, you can also invite friends directly from the main Steam window without launching the game first. Keep in mind, right-click their name in the friends list, hover over the game name if it shows they're already playing, and select Join Game instead. Finally, wait for your friend to accept the invite, and you'll both be connected in the same game session. And that's it. If this guide helped you invite Steam friends to games, give it a like, subscribe for more Windows tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.